What's up, Mythical Reviews here, and this is going to be my first video on the Super Auto Incanto Espresso machine in stainless steel. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is the box that the packaging came in. It just came in the mail today, and we're going to unpackage it for you guys. We actually bought this coffee maker for us, and this thing cost around $1,100. This is the one without the actual packaging box. As you can see, Saeco Incanto. Yes, this thing was $1,000. Made by Philips, Seaco. This is an Italian company, as you can see the flag. Off the bat, the packaging looks perfect. Look at the sides. Nice cup of coffee right there. And now, let's get into the layer where the coffee machine is. Just opened this thing up. First impressions, foam. Let's see what this is. I think this is a manual, a booklet. I think it just shows you how to turn on and off all the machines. This is the tray. As you can see, the bottom thing right here. This is probably the power plug, obviously. These are the cleaning brushes. As you can see, obviously, if you pay $1,000, they at least better give you something, you know. Got this foam piece. Satisfying. Now, the coffee maker. Just got out this box. This thing's nice and fresh. Espresso lungo. Aroma strength. I think that's really powerful coffee. A cappuccino, a latte macchiato, and these are the menus, probably the settings. Nice and fresh. This is the canister that goes right here, I'm pretty sure. Goes look as in the picture. This right here is this thing. So I think that's for the milk. And this thing has a frother option as well. So that's pretty much the frothed up milk. Okay, let's look at the sides. Nice black finishing. Got some air vents. Back is basic. Same thing on this side. And I'm pretty sure this vent or this thing opens up, but the coffee things go in there. The coffee beans. And there is a setting on this, I think in the menu, where you could select the fineness, so like dusty or really thick. So pretty much this was all. First impressions, it looks pretty nice. Like during the packaging, nothing was cracked, nothing. So it's good. Oh, I think these flaps come up. Oh, I guess I was wrong. Something's in this. The water container, I think. What are these? The water filter. Dang, that's pretty nice. Alright, so we don't have to buy it. Close this thing back up. See this side? Nothing in here. I think this is it. You put the coffee grinds in here, you see, and it grinds it up. Maybe there's a blade right here. Right there, as you could see. Alright, so let's plug this thing up and see how it works. Gonna make the first cup of coffee out of this thing. This thing goes down. repeat cleaning process twice.
Cappuccino.
The coffee's already almost gone. Like 2 cups. But we didn't put that much. If it was to the brim, it would have been like 4 or 5 cups, and then you need to refill the coffee beans. The latte macchiato. Pours in the milk. After espresso, the cleaning option doesn't show up because it doesn't have the milk in it. But after the cappuccino, latte macchiato, and I think only these 2 have the foam, and these 2 have just the pure coffee. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.